Menteri Bak ke Jalau Badiru Menteri Ketenaga Pelatengka Jong ke Sorgar Jalau Konrad Ki Sangma ha kasi palai lawan ra ya kamang tengka ka waduna sia haja sanspa lai pu ar klub tengka habawan ra ya katai kamang tengka Menteri Ba ola pen benaru ba kamang tengka na bantai kampen roi kalong prahajan reus pa kan reu klur tengka kat kum ke jingong jungu ka jingmang ban penlut baro lang kalong kan reu hajar khandai spa khat ar klur lait no ka jingsi yo karam ka bolong sanspa ar pho klur u konrad lu ong ba ka jingsi yo ka stud na ka bantau snam ar hajar ar pho wei la antat ba kan long kuma praspa sau klur bat ka jingsiu ya ka bai bam teman ka long jar arspa praklur.
Budget estimates 2020-21. Sir, for 2020-21, I have estimated the total receipts at 17,375 crores, of which revenue receipts are estimated at 15,353 crores and capital receipts at 2,022 crores. Excluding borrowings of 1,995 crores, the total receipts are estimated to be 15,380 crores. On the expenditure side, I have estimated the total expenditure at 17,432 crores, of which the revenue expenditure is estimated at 14,428 crores and capital expenditure at 3,004 crores. Excluding repayment of loans of 520 crores, the estimated total expenditure is 16,912 crores. Interest payments for 2020-21 is estimated at 843 crores and pension payments at 12,008 crores. I am therefore presenting a budget of 2020-21 with a fiscal deficit of 1,532 crores, which is around 3.53% of the GSDP. Sir, the most pressing concerns before us today is to contain the spread of the COVID-19 cases, of which have been detected in many states of the country. Before concluding my address, I want to assure this august House and the citizens of the state that the government is taking all possible measures in accordance with the advisories of the Government of India. We are also committed to take any further measures that may be necessary to effectively deal with this problem in our state. I request the support and cooperation of all sections of the society so that collectively we can overcome this challenge. In conclusion, I want to reiterate that the year 2020-21 will be a new beginning for us, and my government will make every effort to build a prosperous, innovative, caring and knowledge-driven Meghalaya. Sir, along with the budget, I am presenting the vote on account for the proposed expenditure during the first 3 months for 2020-21. Mr. Speaker, sir, with these few words, I commend the budget to this august House. Kublai Mathela Jai Hind.